Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. It's been a long day and I am ready for bed. And I am so happy to be sleeping on the most comfortable bed sheets I've ever had. The first thing I noticed, and probably the first thing you noticed, are how beautiful these sheets are. I love the bright colors, and it comes in so many different designs. They're bright, they're beautiful, and they just liven up any room. I also love how deep the pockets are. My daughter's bed has an average size mattress, but you can see here that it would fit an extra large mattress even. Those pockets are very deep, and the elastic is wonderful in them. So this is me making my daughter's bed. Excuse her room, she's 16, but you can see here that these bed sheets are beautiful. It comes with the fitted sheet, the flat sheet, and 2 pillowcases. I also wanted to mention the durability of these sheets. My daughter has 2 cats that are constantly on her bed and a dog, and these sheets are not showing any signs of wear, holes, or ripping. These bed sheets are just fantastic. I love the way they look. I love the way they feel. Even Scooter likes them, but that's just my point of view.